back to the most important metrics. Now, let's have a look at conversions. In order to have something displayed here in this box, you need to first decide what a conversion is to you. Which page does a visitor need to reach in order for you to regard it as a valuable action? In most cases, this will be a checkout page or a sign-in page. These represent classical conversion actions that turn a visitor into a customer. So, you need to go to Website Settings, Page Settings, and you will see Conversion Pages group. Add a conversion page. Type a generic name for it, and choose a page by just typing the name. We can choose the home page for this example. Save it, and then all of the data about visits for this particular page will be stored in the conversion box in the overview. Starting from now, all visits to this page will be counted as conversions and be displayed in the main overview. The higher the number, the more customers you got. This is a better measure of success and return on investment than just counting simple visitors.